Hello, welcome to my channel Dr. Raja SG. In our last session, we have seen what data science is, why do we need data science, roles of data science tools and its applications. This is another one more lecture session. So in this lecture, we are going to talk about various fields involved in data and how those are different from data science. Let us see some important key areas and important technologies or domains where we are frequently talking or frequently hearing from our friends and colleagues. First, we are going to discuss about big data. Big data is the extraction, analysis, and management of pre-processing a large volume of data. In today's session, I am going to walk through some of the common factors involved big data and data science. Next, artificial intelligence. I think many of you know data science covers artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Then, is there any difference between artificial intelligence and data science? Artificial intelligence, it's about data intelligence, and let's see some of the factors which are used in AI and data science. Machine learning, mainly used for data classification and regression. Every data guy heard the term data science and machine learning together and got confused in both. I hope we are also one of them. Let us see the difference between data science and machine learning quickly in this session. Business intelligence. It tells with the data we can take a right direction to run our business in right direction. Okay. In last session we have seen like data science is also doing same thing, right? Then why do we need business intelligence? Let us see the difference in upcoming slide. Business analyst, analyzing the data for business needs. Data analyst also doing the same, right? But the roles and responsibilities are different. We will discuss data scientist and business analyst based on their scope, role, applications, and tools used by them. Next is data mining. Data mining and data science both deal with data. Let us see the concepts behind the data mining and data science in upcoming slides. Let's start with big data versus data science. In the beginning, we have seen like big data helps us to handle large volume of data. Nowadays, due to the hardware storage revolution and the data storage price, big data would become familiar in the market. Both big data and data science are dealing with data, but usage and operations are different. Along with their differences, we will see how data science and big data are similar. With respect to scope, big data is the extraction, analysis, and management of processing a large volume of data. It is a collection of huge amount of data. Data science is the study of data. It is about finding patterns in the data through in-depth analysis. The process of data science involves extraction, data transformation, data analysis, and prediction to gain insights about the data. With respect to responsibilities, big data contains a pool of data that can be both structured and unstructured. By structured data, I mean the data that mobile services and websites generates. For unstructured data is more of an organized data that is the users generate themselves. For example, emails, charts, telephone, conversations, reviews, etc. Big data deals both and it helps to process huge volume of data and generates insights. Data science understands the pattern within data and it helps decision making process, which will help the business to grow and enhance the quality of the product. With respect to its functional area, like applications, big data applying major roles in e-commerce, security services, and telecommunications. And data science plays major roles in sales, image recognition, advertisement, and risk analysis. Here, also I have listed tools or softwares involved in big data and data science. If you want to good in data lake, then it would be good if we know either Hadoop or Spark or Flink. If you want to be good in data science, it would be great if you know either Python or R or SAS. To sum up, big data is about storing data. Data science is about analyzing the stored data. Big data is part of data science. A data scientist analyzes the data that is quite large and requires a big data platform. So it would be advisable that data scientists to know basic understandings of the big data and its tools and its concepts. Let's move on artificial intelligence versus data science. Data science is using artificial intelligence for its operations, but we cannot conclude data science is completely depending on AI. With respect to scope, AI is the implementation of a predictive model to forecast future events. Artificial intelligence provides machine learning to help data science for several software engineering principles to develop solutions for existing problems. Data science involved for various operations, and it includes artificial intelligence for necessary data-driven decisions. Data science is a comprehensive process that involves pre-processing, analysis, visualization, and prediction. With respect to responsibility, with the help of embeddings and vectors, AI algorithms like deep learning understand the patterns and find the goal in embedded data. Data science holds the responsibility to handle the structured and unstructured data. Major technology companies like Google, Amazon, and Facebook are utilizing the artificial intelligence to develop autonomous systems. The most famous example is Google's AlphaGo. The AlphaGo made use of artificial neural network that are modeled like the human neurons that learn information over some time and to execute its actions. Also, manufacturing units, automations, robotics, transports, and healthcare fields are also utilizing the AI. In other hand, data science using the AI, all applications under AI will be falling under the data science, and also it supports advertising, marketing, and internet searches. With respect to tools, data science using more tools compared with AI, because data science involves multiple steps for analyzing the data and generating insights from data. Scikit-learn, Caffe, PyTorch, TensorFlow, Shohan, and Mohat are familiar tools to implement AI algorithms. Machine learning versus data science. Machine learning is one of the major data operations that is doing lot of data science activities. The scientific study and analysis through statistical modeling and computing algorithm that allow systems to make autonomous decisions without explicit intervention is called machine learning. With respect to usage, machine learning is a tool or technique or algorithms which is used by data scientists to carry out the healthy predictions. Data science is using machine learning to predict the future events. With respect to responsibility, machine learning contains two major operations like classification and regression. That helps system will facilitate to learn themselves without explicit inputs. That is, machine can expand its operations without further user interactions. Data science alone with the classification and regression, it includes statistical model as well as mathematical analysis. Data science is the life and soul for machine learning algorithm. in data science, we have various processes like data pre-processing, visualization, transformation, cleaning, and analysis. We can achieve machine learning scopes using the tools called like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Caret, MLPlack, Shohan, and Vega. Business intelligence with data science. Business intelligence is a process of collecting, integrating, analyzing, and presenting the data. With business intelligence, executives and managers can have a better understanding of decision making. With the help of business intelligence, organizations can be able to create several strategic and business decisions. They are also used for producing graphs, dashboards, summaries, and charts to help the business executives to make better decisions. They are also used for producing graphs, dashboards, summaries, and charts. Business intelligence makes use of the data that is stored in the form of business warehouse, and it also supports real-time data that is generated from the services. To sum up, business intelligence is used for strategic decision making. With respect to scope, business intelligence deals with the data and it helps to analyze the past data. Data science consists of several data operations in various domains and it helps business for future directions. Mostly business intelligence data would be available in data warehouse. It holds static and unstructured data. In data science, as discussed earlier, it holds both structured and unstructured data. Data science deals with both static and dynamic data. With respect to procedure, business intelligence helps companies to solve the questions. Data science helps to solve the business questions as well as it also helps for future directions. I listed here some of the tools like MS Excel, SAS BI, Sysens, and MicroStrategy, which are used for business intelligence. Business intelligence measuring the performance and counting the progress towards reaching the business goal. Business analyst with data scientist. Business analyst is a process that deals with analyzing data and expanding the understandings with respect to business operations. Business analyst makes use of several tools, applications, and methodologies that help the managers to make informed their business decisions. Like data scientists, business analysts also deal with the data only, but their methods of dealing in the data and their use cases are different, and their roles and responsibilities are also different. With respect to scope, business analysis uses the data and quantitative measures to gain new insights about the business. Using various statistical tools, business analyst measures and understands the performance of the business. It is closely related to management science. A data scientist deals with not only the analysis of data, but also developing predictive models that use machine learning algorithms to find out the outcome of events. Along with the statistics, also data science makes use of programming as well. With respect to role, business analyst interacting with the clients and the project managers to analyze their needs. Data scientists are analyzing the pattern in the data to take suitable decision. With respect to applications, business analysts limited to business and consultancy services. And with respect to tools, business analysts also familiar with the tools like Excel, Tabula, and Beam. In other hand, data science, we already had enough discussions about its applications and tools. I just listed here for your reference. Data mining versus data science. Another important topic, data mining. Okay, what is data mining? It is extracting the data, discovering hidden patterns, and developing predictive models. Now, after how to expand its features, here data science is playing major role. That is, data mining is the core of data science. Data is the most expensive mineral. To extract usable data from a given set of raw data, we use data mining. With respect to responsibility, data mining represents the knowledge to the user in the form of trees, tables, graphs, and the matrix. With respect to applications, data mining playing key roles in market analysis, stock analysis, fraud detection, risk management, corporate analysis, customer lifetime values, and so on. With respect to tools, data mining uses RapidMiner, Weka, K9, Apache Mahat, Oracle Data Mining, Teradata, and Orange. To sum up, data science is a full of data operations that also involves data mining. A data scientist is responsible for developing data products for the industry. On the other hand, data mining is responsible for extracting the useful data out of other unnecessary information. While data science is a quantitative field, but data mining is limited to only business roles that require specific information to be mined. A data scientist is required to perform multiple operations like analysis of data, development of predictive models, discovering hidden patterns, etc. Data mining involves statistical modeling to extract the useful information. A data scientist must deal with both structured as well as unstructured data. On the other hand, data mining only deals with structured information. That's it. I hope now you are familiar with the data science and other terms which we are frequently speaking about data. Thank you. Let us see in our next session about mathematics and statistics. Thank you all.